Hello everyone, this is Swati from ThemeHunk.com. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to create cosmetic website using our theme TS Shop Mania and Page Builder Elementor. As you can see, I have already logged in my WP dashboard. Now I am going to ThemeHunk to download the free theme TS Shop Mania. TS Shop Mania is a WooCommerce theme which is especially designed for page builders. Downloading my theme. I am subscribing ThemeHunk for new updates and new features. These are the ready to import templates which are given in TS Shop Mania. These templates are made using different page builders: Elementor, BC, Gutenberg, Page Layer. Some pro features. As I said, this is especially made for page builders, compatible with these page builders. Some key features are one-click demo import. It is especially designed for WooCommerce so that you can use this theme for creating an e-commerce website. Supports WooCart, search plugin is integrated in it. In Pro, you will get sticky header, fixed footer, off canvas sidebar, product quick view, typography, and color manager. This is the pricing for our Pro version. Now I am navigating to my dashboard, adding my TS Shop Mania theme here. Just dragging and dropping the zip file. Theme has been successfully activated in my dashboard. Going with the TS Shop Mania option panel. For designing a website using this theme, you have to install and activate these recommended plugins which are given here. I am installing all the recommended plugins. It will take a little bit time. As I said, we have given many starter templates for designing a website. So I am going to use a starter template for my cosmetic website. All plugins are installed and activated. Going with the demo import. These are the pre-made templates. I am choosing Cosmetic Mania. A very beautiful template for selling cosmetic items. If any required plugins remains, you can install and activate it from here as I am doing. Clicking on the import this site. This is the home page which is designed using Elementor plugin. This is the shop page where you can display your shop items. Contact us page. We have used lead form builder for designing the contact us page. import is done now. Let me show you the dummy website. This is my dummy website. Now I am going to edit the home page using Elementor. This is my home page, which is created using Elementor plugin. Let me show how you can do the changes. I am just editing the content. Choosing a different image like this. This is the product slider. We have given Elementor add-ons with our theme, product simple add-on and simple post. You can drag and drop product simple add-on in the Elementor editor and display your products, just like I am doing. Selecting my product category which I want to display on my home page. Number of products, I want to show 10 products. Number of columns, 3. Number of rows, 2. Slider controls, dots. From styles, I am picking the background color, border type double, border radius, product title color black, price color sale text background color, in this way you can also style your product section, just like I have done it. In this section I have displayed my brand images. Okay. Now I am going with now I am adding my post which I want to display in my website. Creating post for my website, adding post category, post tags, uploading the featured image which I want to display in my post, publish. As I told you, I have created my homepage using Elementor plugin. Now I am going to create my cart page, checkout page, shop page. Okay, these are the WooCommerce pages. For cart page, just add a shortcode. You can get shortcodes from our doc. Doc link is added in my video description. Same as cart page, add shortcode for checkout page and my account page. Creating shop page is very simple. Just add a shop title here and publish it. After creating your WooCommerce pages, you have to do the settings for them to display them on your website. Just I am doing. In general, you can select the selling location and shipping locations. To know how you can add shipping in your website, just follow the doc link which I have added in my description. From products, I am going to set my shop page. Just choose the page which you have created for shop. Going with the advanced tab, adding my cart ID here, same as cart page, checkout page and my account page. Saving my changes. After setting up the WooCommerce pages, I am navigating to products, adding my product name, product description, price, sale price, product sort description, adding my product category, product tags, selecting sidebar left, uploading the product image, gallery images, publish. These are the categories. Now I am going with the visits. I am adding visits in my WooCommerce shop page. Just dragging and dropping the visits. In a single product page. After adding the visits, I am going with the menu, creating a menu for my website. Adding pages in my menu. Setting up the display location as main. Okay, after doing all these process, now I am going to customize my website. In customize panel, you can do these settings. First, I am going to add the site identity by uploading a logo. This is my site logo. I don't want to show site title. If you want to show the site title, you can display it from here. Like this. Going with the color options. Changing the global color, theme color, background color. This will work for overall website. As I have already created the menu, you can also add your menu from here. In visits, I am going to add above header visit. Like this. Now I am adding footer visit. Four visit areas are given in our footer. You can add desired visit in this area, just like I am doing. Now I am going with the footer copyright, adding my footer copyright here. Replacing it by my own content like this. In WooCommerce, only one setting is given, which is force to disable sidebar and product page. This is my product page. I don't want to show any sidebar here. If you want to show, just check the box and you can display sidebar here. In additional CSS, you can add your own CSS class to add more styling in your website. My styling is perfect, so I am not going to add any additional CSS. Let me show you my website which I have created. This is a cosmetic website. In this way, you can also create a beautiful cosmetic website using our theme Shop Mania and Elementor Page Builder. I hope you will like my video, and for more videos like this, please press the bell icon and subscribe ThemeHunk channel.